Hello and welcome to this new tutorial video. In this video, we're going to show you how to create and mint a 10K NFTs collection from scratch in a few minutes using a simple and efficient tool. We're going to show how and where to start if you have no coding or design skills. In this video, we're going to see together a step-by-step guide to 10K NFT collection creation, starting by creating layers in Photoshop. Generate NFTs and metadata files with Rarity. Upload NFTs to the IPFS. Create a smart contract and mint the first NFT. Sell NFTs on an NFT marketplace. In our case, we will use Opensea. So let's get started. Now, we are going to create 10K unique NFTs using only our browser and Photoshop project. We will start by creating NFT layers or traits. For this step, we will use Adobe Photoshop. First, we will create the base character. Then set all the colors we want to use for our character. Then we will create the other layers we want to add, like clothes, eyes, mouth, and so on. The most important thing in this phase is to create a group for each trait or attribute, and name each one of them as you want it to be generated in the metadata. And make sure that the layers and attribute names have different names to avoid any rarity issues during the generation of your NFTs collection. Now we got 6 background colors, 8 fur colors, 6 eyes, 6 mouths, and 7 clothes. These layers are gonna make more than 12K NFTs, but we only need 10K NFTs. So we're gonna show you in the next part how to generate your 10K NFTs with metadata and rarity. After saving our PSD file, we're gonna move to our browser and search for genft.com. genft.com is the easiest tool to make your own NFT collection in minutes, and you don't need any technical skills to get it done. Click the Make NFT Collection button. You'll see this message if you don't have MetaMask installed. MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain, and we will need it to deploy our smart contract and mint our NFTs directly from this website. So let's install it first. Click on Install MetaMask to install MetaMask for Chrome. Set up your wallet. Set MetaMask password. Create a secret recovery phrase. Make sure to save this phrase in a private place. Confirm your secret recovery phrase. Refresh the page to let the website detect MetaMask installation. Great! It's time to generate our collection. We can start by adding NFT traits. We actually have multiple methods to add layers. First one is to create groups and add PNG traits manually. Second is to use a PSD file directly. In our case, we will use a PSD file. Click on the Upload PSD button. Select your Photoshop project and click Open. All our traits are loaded successfully with metadata. For example, background, blue, pink, green. Also, you could set the rarity of each layer, so let's set 10% for the black fur. But to have 100% in total rarities of the group, we should add the remaining number to some other layer. Now we will generate our 10K collection. All we need is to set the number to 10,000 and click Generate. Generating NFTs may take a while, depending on the computer's performance and the number of NFTs you want to generate. Done. Now we can preview our NFTs and the metadata of each one, and set our collection information like name of assets, collection name, description, and other info. Our NFTs are ready to be downloaded, but first, we need to create an account or log in if we already have one to be able to download our collection. GenFT gives you 100 credits for free, so we will only need 9,900 credits to download our 10K NFT collection. To get credits, you can click on Payments to see your previous payments and add a new payment. You could pay with Ethereum, PayPal, or credit card. Now we can download our collection as a zip file. Click on the Download Collection button. Done! our collection is downloaded successfully, and we can preview the collection on our local machine. Unzip the file. As you can see, our images and metadata files are ready. If you have any issue with your first zip file, you click to download again to download your last generated zip file for free. The next step is uploading our NFTs to IPFS with a single click. Click on the Start Uploading button and wait for it to get our IPFS CID. Done! Our files are uploaded successfully. Now we can preview our files online. Now we have to generate a smart contract to mint our 10K NFTs collection. It's automatically generated by GenFT based on the info you've added about your collection. Our smart contract is ready for deployment. All we need to do is connect our wallet. Click on Connect Wallet and connect your wallet. By default, we have only the Ethereum network. If you want to deploy your smart contract to Ethereum, it's already added. If you want to deploy to other networks, you can easily add them to your wallet. You can add Polygon testnet and mainnet networks in seconds by clicking one of the next buttons. Now, let's get some free tokens to complete the process. Paste your wallet address and click Submit. We will get a 0.2 MATIC token. It will take some time to be added. Great, we got some free tokens for testing. Now we are ready for deployment. Click on the Deploy Smart Contract button. Confirm the transaction with your wallet. We have to wait a few seconds for the deployment. Done! Our smart contract is deployed to the Polygon testnet blockchain. Now we can mint our NFTs, but we will first publish our smart contract and verify it on the Polygonscan website. Click on the Verify and Publish button. Select compiler type and version and license type. Then click the Continue button. We need smart contract source code. Back to GenFT. Click on the smart contract icon to download it. Copy the code. Paste it into Solidity source code field. Remove ABI encoded text. Then click Verify and Publish. Our smart contract is published now, and anyone can access it. Now let's mint our first 100 NFTs with GenFT.com. Select the number of NFTs you want to mint. We prefer minting 100 by 100 NFTs for safe transactions. Click the Mint button and confirm the transaction. Wait for it to be completed. Done! We have 100 NFTs minted with our smart contract. Now we can check our collection on Opensea. Because we are using testnet for this tutorial, we will go to Opensea testnet website and search for the smart contract address. Sometimes Opensea doesn't fetch all files correctly. We just need to click on the refresh button and refresh the page to see our NFT. To be able to edit our collection, we need to connect our MetaMask with the same account we used to deploy the smart contract. Let's set our collection image. Perfect. Let's mint another 100 NFTs. We already have 100 NFTs selected. Just click the Mint button and confirm the transaction. We keep checking our collection on Opensea to see updates. As you can see, we have now 200 NFTs available on Opensea. Now we will mint another 100 NFTs using our smart contract. Go to your smart contract page on Polygonscan and go to the Write Contract tab. Find mint function. Insert payable amount. In our case, it is 0 because I'm the owner of the contract, so I'll mint for free. Insert your wallet address and the number of NFTs you want to mint. Click the right button. Let's view our transaction status. It's success. We can check our collection on Opensea again. Perfect. We have 300 NFTs minted and available on Opensea. We also have another publish page if you want to share a minting page with someone to mint NFTs and pay the minting cost. Go to GenFT and open the smart contracts list. Click View Collection. This is the page. You can share it with anyone, and anyone can mint NFTs from this page. This page is generated for free by GenFT. You can use it to mint your NFTs. You can use the same process with the mainnet. You just need to switch the network to the mainnet and deploy the contract again. Finally, don't forget to follow us on our social media and leave your feedback about the service. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get any new updates.